Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can add meta descriptions for SEO on Shopify. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on shopify.com and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here, as you can see guys in the left side of your screen, you're going to find all of these sections. Right here, you're going to find the home section, orders, products, customers, content. Here you're going to find analytics, marketing, and also discount. And here you're going to find online store and also point of sale. So right now, go ahead and click on online store. And then here under you're going to find themes, blog posts, pages, navigation, and preferences. Go ahead and click on preferences. And then here under preferences, as you can see, guys, you're going to find title and meta description. The title and meta description help define how your store shows up on search engine. So right here, go ahead and choose your homepage title. For example, I'm going to name it shoes store like this. And then here you need to add a homepage meta description. Basically, guys, this is the description that will appear under your homepage title. So make sure to enter a good description right here to get a better ranking on search engines like Google. You can use AI to help you to generate a good description. For example, I'm going to go and search for ChatGPT. So, for example, you can ask it to make you a description. So, as you can see, guys, it will help you to generate a description. You can edit this if you want, and then just copy it like this. And we're going to paste it right here. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.